Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy A13 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then remove the SIM tray and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker and guard pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone, release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle when taking out the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, take out the board cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and release the back cover by disconnecting the button flex. Next, disconnect the LCD connector. Next, take out the battery from the body. First, apply heat or add isopropyl alcohol to soften the glue on the battery. And then use a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive. Be gentle in this process and pull out the battery using a pry tool. Next, disconnect two antenna heads from the logic board. Next, undo the screw on the board and then pull out the logic board from the body. Next, apply some heat and pull out the earpiece module. Next, take out the button flex by applying heat. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the secondary LCD plug and then undo the screw on the charging port board. Next, loosen the antennas from the frame and then gently pull out the charging port board from the body. Next, take out the vibrator motor by applying some heat. Next, take out the speaker by applying heat. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are two different screen types in the market. One is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame, and the price difference is slight. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket, and this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing the removed parts. First, place the button flex on the frame. Next, secure the earpiece. Next, place and secure the logic board on the frame and then fasten the screw. Next, place and secure the speaker. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, place the charging port board and then secure the screw. Next, secure the secondary LCD plug and then secure both antennas on the frame. Next, connect both antenna heads to the logic board. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the LCD flex. Next, secure the fingerprint button flex. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the board cover by adding 8 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.